Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricardina and I love speaking about skincare. Yes, in this video I'll share with you all the products that I am using to make sure that my skin is smooth and spotless all year round. If you like the vibe so far, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you don't know already, I'm a huge fan from Rituals Cosmetics and Sakura was my favorite until Yozakura returned back to the stores, which is pretty much the night version of the Sakura collection. Rituals is an European brand from Holland, and every summer and winter they have special products that are limited edition. I was visiting the Rituals shop in Frankfurt, and again at Rituals you find products for your body, for your hair and for your home, like candles that are amazing, and they always have a water island where you can try the products. In Frankfurt they even have a spa. And of course, the amazing fragrances for women and men. Is overall very luxurious atmosphere, and I literally love every single product that Rituals sells. I am indeed a true Rituals fan. And in my wish list this year is definitely Yozakura shower gel. I love the way it smells, and again in the shower you just need one little squeeze and you have enough to wash your entire body. What I love about Rituals is that they always have a whole combination of products, and with that Yozakura's shower gel also has its body peeling. It is quite similar to Sakura's peeling because it's a sugar peeling. But the main difference is that Sakura's peeling is an oil-based scrub with sugar that gently exfoliates and nourishes the skin, while the Yozakura peeling has a creamy texture that provides a softer, more hydrating, exfoliating experience. And that is just amazing because you lose less product in the shower. And again, you just need a little bit and it's enough to exfoliate your entire body. Definitely let me know in the comments down below which one you like better. Yes, so I have to share my love for the Yozakura body serum. It's honestly become one of my favorite steps in my self-care routine. The scent alone is heavenly because it smells floral, feminine and soft. It's the kind of scent that just makes you feel put together and beautiful. Now what makes this serum special are its ingredients. It has niacinamide and black rice extract, two absolute gems for the skin. Niacinamide helps to even out your skin tone and strengthen your skin barrier so that your body stays smooth and radiant all day. Oh, and black rice extract is rich in antioxidants. It helps to protect your skin from environmental stress and promote elasticity, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. What I love about the niacinamide serum is its freshness and the fact that the texture absorbs quickly without feeling sticky. And of course, my dark spots faded. So the body oil from Yozakura. Yeah, the Yozakura shimmering body oil I used for 2 summers in a row, and my skin was always so radiant. I love it because it's lightweight, not sticky, and leaves this beautiful glow with fine rose gold shimmer that flatters every skin tone. It's like a gel to oil consistency kind of, and I really liked that it really left the glitter on my skin, which really gave me that glow. Like I said before, I used this oil 2 summers in a row, both in Portugal, Lisbon, and in Ibiza. This year in 2025, and again, I got that tan. I was looking good. My skin was just glowing, even in my bikini area where you know I'm super hairy. Of course, the blemishes were faded. The Yozakura hair and body mist is also, of course, in my summer bag because it's just refreshing and it's great for both hair and body. It is indeed a must-have and the most popular product from Rituals that left me looking super cute, smelling really good in Ibiza. It's pure summer luxury. Rituals did great with the body selection of Yozakura. I know that shaving is still part of many girls' routines, and believe me, though I wax myself, I still need to shave myself every now and then. While I was at Rossmann finding and purchasing my toiletries, I ended up bumping into this Ultimate Shave Gel from Astrid. It has this skin protection cushioning gel formula with shea butter, niacinamide, and sea moss. It is 100% vegan and made for sensitive skin, and it definitely already fulfills the most important key points for me: brightening my skin and controlling hyperpigmentation, ensuring that the dark spots fade and my skin tone is even. It is definitely creamy and you don't need that much if you go for it, which ends up being so good. And again, I am loyal to the Wilkinson Sword butterfly razor that I already reviewed in my channel. And yeah, I highly recommend you use everything that supports your main goal and invest in your double-sided razor from Wilkinson. I must say that I am super fascinated with spray tanning and decided to get an instant tan just to test it. And again, at some point I had so many blemishes from shaving or allergies that I decided to just try Bali Body. And again, if you are going through some rough times, just go ahead and get an instant spray tan. I am not encouraging anyone to ignore their skin problems, but just add to your experience. If you have an important event and you really would like to feel super confident, just get an instant spray tan and test it out. Make sure you're not allergic to it. With the brush, just spray tan, follow all instructions and correct it and look flawless. Love Bali Body, it really helped me at some times, especially around the legs where I really cut myself deeply and it took a while for the blemishes to fade away. In terms of perfumes, I really like floral feminine scents. What really caught my senses was Pera Granita from Guerlain, and I really love it. It's just been with me for at least now 3 years. I take it easy and I like to alternate. I love the overall golden design, and Guerlain is absolutely fabulous and luxurious. Absolutely love its scents. Ended up discovering this eau de parfum from Coach as I was searching for a completely different one. And this one is the Sunset Dreams. Absolutely pretty with the design flower spray head, and the scent is just amazing. And of course, I cannot go shopping and not stop by Hunkemöller, where I usually find my lingerie underwear. And surprisingly, they still have an extra small bra and some extra small underwears that I really had to get it. I really love shopping for underwear at Hunkemöller because the panties last long, they're comfortable, and they are very unique. Definitely let me know in the comments down below, where do you buy your underwear and why? And yeah, I hope that you like the underwear that I found just as much as I did. And of course at H&M I also found this onesie that is perfect for special occasions. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my next video. My name is Ricardina and I will see you in my next video.